What do you think of that? About 9:30 in the morning, I'd seen one coyote, 4 does, 1 spike, and I seen an 8-pointer. What do you think of that? There's the buck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. He's a 9-pointer. So me and my dad, we was hunting a couple 100 yards apart, and we had just got there for afternoon set, and I hear boom, and I knew it was my dad that just shot, and he immediately texted me and said, I think I just knocked down a big one. And he said he was going to go look for blood, and he said keep your eyes behind you. There was 2 bucks chasing some does, and they was headed your direction. So right after he had shot and then texted me that, I had set my phone back up on the tripod, and as soon as I turned and looked behind me, there was does running and there was bucks chasing them does, and they was right under my box stand running full blast. And so I didn't get the shot on film. There's no footage of me shooting it or the deer, but there was bucks chasing does that came right under my box stand. If you look here at his bases, you can see he's been rubbing. Man, thanks, Brady. So come to find out, my dad went down there and couldn't find no blood. All he seen was hair. And so he came up there, he heard me shoot, so he came and helped me. And come to find out, this was the buck that my dad had shot and missed.
He's a nice one, a good slick one.